That is the truck of the timber. It's coming her side. It is coming reverse. Abokuba hali teina ho kuraba kuchuka. It is a full truck, as you can see. 550 pieces zembaho. Chireba. It's passing by the bends. It's approaching the sides. That is very heavy, and the angle is tight. Katika mfuniredi ya haiguru olebe. So harokurora yeji ring beam twagiheza yona ezemba hezi kwija hati. They are going to sit on top of this like that, and on top of all this place hona twahezaho na hano hona bakoraho kurungi hona they're casting that place. This is the last part is gaireho but kuno hona oire ready for the mbaho is back later. So let me show you this top. I wasn't able to get to this video, but I get it for you. You can see it. Operugu things akutemba, there is nothing to climb onto, but at least it gives you an idea of what's going on. The first car which is blocked is there, which we have to let go. Come on, Haji! Takura. Okay, Kale.